Are you still working on your puzzle designs like this? Let me show you an easy way to do it. Be sure to watch till the end. First, open your apps and search for Jigsaw Puzzle. From here, you can start customizing. You can also choose to use your own image or pick one that's already there. For this example, let's upload one. This is great for teachers who want to create puzzles for their students or anyone looking to make personalized gifts or fun activities. Once you're happy with it, just click Export as SVG to design. And that's it. Super easy. Want more Canva tips and hacks? Be sure to follow my page. See you in my next video. Bye!